She walk in the room like sunrise glow. Confidence high, steady and slow. Melanin shining, heart so clean. Out for Somali bang break queen. From Mogadishu to everywhere, sisters feel her love in the air. She carries strength in everything. Lioness heart, she born to win. Her voice like thunder, calm but loud. She lift her sisters, make them proud. No jealousy, no broken dreams. She building hope in steady streams. Culture wrapped in golden grace. Light up Somalia in her face. She stands so firm, so evergreen. Fearless spirit, band break queen.
She love herself, she know her worth. A diamond walking on this earth. Respect her name, respect her throne. She bows to Allah alone. Windbreak queen, shining so bright, faith in her heart. She fight the right fight, she fear no soul, no human king. Only Allah above everything. Somali sister, proud and free. She got her queens with dignity. If you disrespect, she intervene. Strong and bold, windbreak queen.
TikTok live, she set the tone. No weak behavior in her zone. If a man step wrong with words, she cut it quick like sharpened swords. Not with hate, but with control. Discipline coming from her soul. She teach respect, she draw the line. Another woman every time. She love her sisters far and near. In every country, everywhere. From London streets to Nairobi side. She carried them with pride inside. Hijab flowing, crown unseen. Modesty mixed with rebel queen. Grace and fire in between. That's the power of Ember Queen.
She not afraid of any face. Not money, fame, or power race. Her fear is Allah, pure and true. That's where her strength is breaking through. When darkness tries to dim her flame, she rise again, she play no game. For every sister feeling small, she remind and they stand tall.
Windbreak queen,
Shining so bright, faith in her heart. She fight the right fight, she fear no soul, no human king. Only Allah above everything. Somali sister, proud and free. She got her queens with dignity. If you disrespect, she intervene. Strong and bold, windbreak queen.
beautiful soul, steady and wise. Truth in her words, fire in her eyes. She break the bin, she break the chain. She break the silence, break the pain. Somali woman, pure and clean. Self-love glow like royal sheen. Stand up tall, let it be seen. All hail the pain.